Good day, everyone. Welcome to my chemistry class. We are looking at relative molecular mass as a topic. I will just define relative molecular mass in a simple term. Relative molecular mass of a compound is the sum of the relative atomic mass of all the atoms in one molecule of the substance. It is the mass of the correctly written formula or molecules of a compound obtained by adding together the appropriate relative atomic mass of all the atoms of the element present. So relative molecular mass, in another word, we can say it is called formula mass. We can call it formula mass. So when question is given to you to calculate the relative molecular mass, what is expected of you is that you should add together all the atomic mass that is given to you in the question. So you have to look at it by considering what is given to you. Now on the board, we have an example here we want to take as our example where we have to calculate, let me give so that you can see the question. Calculate the relative molecular mass of a sodium tetrasulfate 6. Sodium tetrasulfate 6. So what we are calculating, we want to get the mole, relative molecular mass. So, and what is given is Na, Na2, SO4, Na2, SO4. So we have two molecule of sodium, We have molecule, one molecule of sulfur, and we have four molecules, four molecules of oxygen, two molecules of sodium, one molecule of sulfur, four molecules of oxygen that makes sodium tetrasulfate 6 here. So we want to see what is going to be relative molecular mass. So according to the definitions of that we have under relative molecular mass is that the sum, we had to add all the sums of the atomic mass of sodium plus the atomic mass of sulfur and oxygen, relating it to the quantity of sodium that we have in that question. So this one now we have quantity of two molecules of sodium here. So the atomic mass will be added together with the quantity that we have in sulfur with the quantity that we have in oxygen. So how do we go about that? So you write it out. Na now it contains two molecules. That means we have 23 multiplied by 2. And the next thing there we have sulfur. The mass number for sulfur is 32, and it's one molecule multiplied by the number of mole that we have there. And we have oxygen. Oxygen is 4. Oxygen is 16 multiplied by 4. So whatever we get from each category, we are going to, whatever we get from each category, that is what we are going to add together. So the first one now, which is 2, to multiply by 23, we have 46. Then we have 1 times this, we have 32. Then when you multiply your 16 now, multiply it by 4, I think that will be 64. So adding it together, 46 plus 32 plus 64. So when you add 32, you add 32 plus, add everything that you have there together, 46 plus 32, add it plus 64, we have 142. 142. So our relative molecular mass of Na2SO4 will be equal to 142